Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how to remove FB account or Facebook account from device. If you want to remove Facebook account from device, then you have to follow the steps. First thing, open up your Facebook application and log in. After which, what you will need to do is you have to go ahead and click on the menu bar in the top right corner of your screen. And what next you want to do is here, you simply want to scroll down a bit, and you could either go ahead and scroll down and click on log out, and once you are logged out, then you could go ahead and make sure to remove the login information. That is one way of removing your Facebook account from device. But if you have a Facebook account linked to multiple devices, then this way you have to do it. Go to settings. As you go to settings, click on see more in account center. And here you want to scroll down a bit, go to password and security. After which you have to go ahead and click on change password. Once you click on that, you want to select the Facebook account. So here, then what you need to do is you want to go to security checks and then go to where you're logged in. Then you want to select the particular account, and if you want to go ahead and log out, you simply want to long press onto it, or you could just click on log out. Or if you have multiple devices, click on select device to log out, and you have to go ahead and log out of this selected. Click on a log out and you'll be able to see a verification code. You have to enter that, and that is basically how you could remove Facebook account from device. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.